What's the difference between probation and a suspended sentence? Have you ever wondered how the legal system decides between probation and a suspended sentence? Both options come up in criminal cases, but they serve different purposes. Let's break it down so you can understand the key differences. First, let's talk about probation. This is a sentencing option that allows individuals to serve their time in the community instead of going to jail or prison. The goal is to help offenders reintegrate into society while still being supervised. During probation, individuals must follow specific rules set by the court. These rules might include regular check-ins with a probation officer, attending counseling sessions, or completing community service. Probation is often given for less serious offenses or for first-time offenders. Now, what about a suspended sentence? This is a bit different. In this case, a judge will impose a jail or prison sentence but will delay enforcing it. Instead of going to jail right away, the offender is placed on probation. If they successfully complete their probation, the original sentence is usually dismissed. However, if they violate the terms of their probation, the judge can impose the original sentence, which means they could end up in jail. So, what are the main differences? The purpose of probation is to provide an alternative to incarceration, focusing on rehabilitation. A suspended sentence is more about giving the offender a chance to avoid jail time by showing good behavior during probation. When it comes to conditions, probation has specific requirements like meeting with a probation officer or undergoing drug testing. A suspended sentence includes these conditions but adds the risk of immediate jail time if the individual does not comply. Another important point is how these options affect a person's legal record. Both probation and a suspended sentence result in a conviction. However, a suspended sentence typically stays on the record unless it is expunged, while probation does not add to the record but is part of the sentencing outcome. Finally, let's consider the consequences of violating these options. If someone violates probation, they may face additional penalties or extended supervision. But if they violate a suspended sentence, they could be sent to jail immediately to serve the original sentence. In true crime cases, understanding these differences is essential for analyzing how the legal system works. A suspended sentence might be used when the judge believes the offender can reform, while probation may be preferred for less severe offenses. Both are tools used to balance punishment with rehabilitation, reflecting how society manages criminal behavior. By knowing the distinctions between probation and a suspended sentence, you can better understand the legal outcomes in criminal cases and what they mean for offenders.